What if your phone could pay your bills? Imagine this. You wake up on a Saturday morning, still in your pajamas, hair messy, cereal in one hand, and your phone buzzes. You just made $47 while you were sleeping. No boss, no alarm clock, no uniform. Just you, your skills, and a Wi-Fi connection. Sounds like a dream, right? It's not. Millions of regular people, students, stay-at-home parents, even retired grandparents, are making $100 a day or more from simple side hustles. Not because they're geniuses, not because they won the lottery, but because they learned a few smart tricks and took action. Here's the truth nobody tells you in school. The internet has created hundreds of ways to make money that didn't exist 10 years ago. A 15-year-old in Pakistan is designing logos for a client in London. A mom in Michigan is selling digital stickers she made on her laptop. A college student in Dubai is writing product descriptions for Amazon sellers from his dorm room in his underwear. You don't need a degree, you don't need startup money, you don't need to be famous. You just need to pick one thing, learn it, and start. This article is going to show you exactly how, broken into 3 simple sections that anyone, yes, even a 10-year-old can follow and understand. Let's go.
If you can do it, someone will pay you for it. Let's start with the most powerful idea in this entire article. You already have skills people will pay for. You just don't realize it yet. Can you type fast? Can you speak clearly? Can you draw, even simple doodles? Can you explain things simply? Can you use Google? Congratulations, you are already qualified for multiple side hustles that pay real money. Here's how to turn your existing skills into $100 a day. 1. Freelance writing. Get paid to write words. Every single website, blog, company, and online store needs words. Product descriptions, blog posts, social media captions, emails. Somebody has to write all of that. That somebody can be you. Freelance writing is one of the most beginner-friendly side hustles on the internet. You don't need to be Shakespeare. You just need to write clearly in simple language about topics people care about. How much can you make? Beginners typically charge between $15 to $30 per article. Write 3 or 4 short articles a day, and you've hit your $100 target. As you get better and build a portfolio, writers regularly charge $100 to $500 per single article. Where do you start? Create a free profile on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Write a simple bio that says what topics you can write about: technology, food, parenting, travel, health, whatever you know. Then start applying to small jobs. Your first client is the hardest to get. After that, it gets much easier. Pro tip: offer to write 1 free sample for your first client. Once you have 1 published piece, use it to show future clients what you can do. That first piece is your golden ticket. 2. Graphic design. Make pretty things make real money. Here's a surprise. You do not need to be an artist to be a graphic designer in 2026. Tools like Canva, Adobe Express, and Figma have made design so easy that a complete beginner can create professional-looking work in under an hour. What do people need designed? Everything. Business cards, YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, wedding invitations, book covers, logo designs, flyers for local restaurants. The list never ends. A basic logo on Fiverr starts at $25 to $50. A YouTube thumbnail package sells for $15 to $30. A set of Instagram templates can bring in $50 to $100 per order. Stock a few of these orders per day, and $100 is completely reachable. Start by learning Canva. It's free, and there are hundreds of YouTube tutorials that will teach you everything in a weekend. Build 5 or 6 sample designs, create your Fiverr profile, and start at a low price to attract your first reviews. Once you have 5-star reviews, raise your prices confidently. 3. Virtual assistant. Be someone's right hand remotely. A virtual assistant, or VA, is basically a remote helper. Business owners, YouTubers, coaches, and entrepreneurs are busy people. They need someone to reply to emails, schedule appointments, research topics, manage spreadsheets, post on social media, and handle small tasks they don't have time for. That person is a virtual assistant, and they can do all of this from home in their own time using nothing but a laptop and internet connection. VA work pays between $15 and $25 per hour for beginners. Work 4 hours a day for 2 to 3 clients, and you are easily at $100. Many experienced VAs make $500 to $1,000 per day once they specialize in areas like social media management or email marketing. The best part? The skills required are things most people already do every day. Browsing the internet, writing emails, organizing information. You are literally getting paid to do things you already know how to do.
Find VA clients on Upwork, LinkedIn, or by directly messaging small business owners and content creators on Instagram or YouTube and offering your help. The golden rule of Section 1. Pick one skill, learn it deeply for 2 weeks, then offer it to one client. Don't jump around. Depth beats variety every single time when you're starting out.
The internet turned everyone into a store owner, whether they know it or not. Here's something that will blow your mind. There are people making thousands of dollars a month selling things they never touched, never made, and never shipped. How? Because the internet completely changed what it means to sell something. In this section, we're going to explore 3 powerful ways to make $100 a day by selling. And the most exciting part is that 2 of them require 0 inventory and 0 upfront money. 1. Selling digital products. Make it once, sell it forever. This is hands down one of the most exciting side hustles for beginners. Here's the concept in one sentence. You create something digital one time and then sell it over and over again to thousands of people forever without doing any extra work. What kinds of digital products can you sell? The list is enormous. Ebooks, printable planners, resume templates, study guides, meal prep spreadsheets, phone wallpapers, budgeting worksheets, Canva templates, coloring pages for kids. The possibilities are truly endless. Let's make it super simple. Imagine you are good at organizing your school binder. You create a pretty printable student planner pack using Canva. It takes you about 3 hours total. You upload it to Etsy or Gumroad for $9.99. If just 10 people buy it today, that's $100. But here's the magic. You don't have to make it again. That same file sells while you're in school, while you're sleeping, while you're watching TV. Successful digital product sellers on Etsy regularly make $3,000 to $10,000 per month from products they made once, years ago. Your job is simply to create something useful, write a good description, use the right keywords, and let the platform do the rest. Getting started costs almost nothing. Canva is free. Etsy charges a small listing fee of 20 cents per product. Gumroad is completely free to start. Your entire investment is a few hours of your time. 2. Dropshipping. Sell products you never touch. Dropshipping sounds complicated. It isn't. Here's how it works in plain language. You create an online store. A customer visits your store and buys a product, let's say a cool LED desk lamp for $35. You then order that exact lamp from a supplier like AliExpress for $12 and give them the customer's address. The supplier ships it directly to the customer. You never see the lamp, you never touch it, you never store it in your garage. Your profit is the $23 difference. That is dropshipping. You are the middleman between the customer and the supplier, and you keep the difference in price. The most popular platforms for dropshipping are Shopify and WooCommerce. You can also dropship directly on eBay or Facebook Marketplace with 0 store setup. The key to making $100 a day with dropshipping is finding the right products, things that are trending, hard to find locally, and have a healthy profit margin. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to sell everything. Don't. Pick one niche, pet accessories, home organization, phone gadgets, baby products, and become the go-to store for that specific thing. Niche stores convert far better than general stores. Yes, it takes a few weeks to set up properly. Yes, there is a small learning curve, but once your store is running, it can generate income around the clock from customers anywhere in the world. 3. Reselling. Buy low, sell high, repeat. This one is as old as commerce itself, but the internet made it dramatically more powerful. Reselling means finding underpriced items and selling them for a profit on a different platform. Walk into a thrift store and find a brand name jacket for $4. Sell it on eBay or Depop for $45. That's a $41 profit from one item. Do that 3 times a day and you've made $123. Find a clearance sale at Walmart, toys at 75% off. Buy 10 of them for $3 each. Sell them on Amazon or Facebook Marketplace for $18 each. That's $150 profit from a single shopping trip. The best categories for reselling right now are clothing and sneakers, vintage electronics, Lego sets, textbooks, sports equipment, and children's toys. The key skill is knowing what things are worth, and that's something you develop quickly just by browsing eBay's sold listings filter for 30 minutes a day. You don't need a big budget to start. Even $20 to $30 is enough to buy your first items and get your first sale. Reinvest your profits, grow your inventory, and within a few months, reselling can become a serious income stream. The golden rule of Section 2.
Every sell stuff hustle requires patience for your first sale. Don't quit after 3 days. The people making $100 a day today spent 30 to 60 days building before they saw results. Your future self will thank your present self for not giving up.
In 2026, your personality is a business. This is the section most people dream about but never believe is real. Let's make it real. The internet has created an entirely new economy where regular people, not celebrities, not corporations, not trained professionals, get paid simply for showing up consistently online and sharing what they know, think, or love. You don't need to be beautiful, you don't need a fancy camera, you don't need 100,000 followers. You need consistency, authenticity, and one clear topic you care about. Here are 3 ways to turn your online presence into $100 a day. 1. YouTube, the long game that pays forever. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. Every single day, billions of people search YouTube for answers to questions, tutorials, entertainment, and information. Every single one of those searches is an opportunity for a creator like you. How does YouTube pay you? Through AdSense, which places ads on your videos. Once your channel reaches 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you qualify for monetization. After that, YouTube pays you every month based on how many people watch your videos. Most channels earn between $3 and $10 per 1,000 views. A channel getting 30,000 views a day earns roughly $100 or more daily. But here's what most people miss about YouTube. You don't just earn from ads. You also earn from brand sponsorships, affiliate links in your description, selling your own digital products, and channel memberships. Many creators make 3 to 5 times more from these sources than from ads alone. What should your channel be about? Anything you know well and can teach or discuss consistently. Gaming, cooking, study tips, local news explainers, financial advice in simple language, product reviews, language learning, parenting, science experiments for kids. The niche matters less than your consistency and the quality of your explanations. Yes, YouTube takes time. Most channels take 6 to 12 months to start making serious money. But the beauty of YouTube is that old videos keep earning forever. A video you made 2 years ago can still be bringing in views and money today. 2. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products, earn commissions. Affiliate marketing is one of the simplest earning models on the internet to understand. A company says to you, if you send us a customer who buys our product, we'll give you a percentage of the sale. You share a special link, someone clicks it and buys, you earn money. That's it. Amazon's affiliate program pays between 1% and 10% depending on the product category. A $200 laptop earns you $10. But imagine your YouTube video or blog post recommends that laptop and 500 people click your link and buy it. That's $5,000 from one piece of content. Other affiliate programs pay much higher commissions. Software and digital products often pay 30 to 50% per sale. Some programs pay $100 or more per single referral. Platforms like ShareASale, ClickBank, CJ Affiliate, and Impact connect you with hundreds of companies who want you to promote their products. You don't need a big audience to start. A small, trusted audience of even 500 genuinely interested followers can generate more affiliate income than a random audience of 50,000 people who don't care about your recommendations. Trust is the currency of affiliate marketing. Start by choosing products you actually use and love. Write honestly about them. Share your genuine experience. People can smell fake recommendations from a mile away, but authentic recommendations convert beautifully. 3. Faceless content creation. Earn online without showing your face. Here's a side hustle that has exploded in the last 2 years and is perfect for shy, private, or camera-averse people. Faceless content creation means building YouTube channels, TikTok accounts, or Instagram pages where you never appear on camera and still make serious money. How? Through AI voiceovers, stock footage, screen recordings, animated explainers, and text-on-screen formats. Channels like Top 10 Facts, news summary channels, motivational quote channels, documentary-style channels, and finance explainer channels are making $100,000 to $10,000 per day entirely without a human face ever appearing. The setup is simpler than you'd think. Use a tool like 11 Labs for a realistic AI voiceover. Use Canva or CapCut for visuals. Source free stock footage from Pexels or Pixabay. Script your video using your own words or research. Upload consistently. Many successful faceless content creator operators run 3 to 5 channels simultaneously, each covering a different topic, generating multiple income streams from a single setup. Once the workflow is mastered, producing a video takes as little as 1 to 2 hours.
This is also an incredible side hustle for people in countries where speaking on camera feels uncomfortable due to cultural norms, language confidence, or privacy concerns. Your ideas and your information can reach the world without your face ever appearing in a single frame. The golden rule of section free. Online income is slow to start and fast to scale. The biggest mistake is quitting at month 2 when you have 200 subscribers. The people making $100 a day now were at 200 subscribers once too. They just didn't quit.